Good evening, everyone. At first, a short introduction. TreeShade is a software, works as a local server on your computer and an extension for Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge. It's totally free and you can install from Adobe Exchange. Go to exchange.adobe.com and search in Creative Cloud for TreeShade. After installing, you will have one menu in TreeShade called TreeShade, and in Adobe InDesign you will have two menus, TreeShade and Live Snippet. Live Snippet to connect the content to the document component, to the text frames and stories and image, like that. Okay, today we will make online form depending on an actual design. I downloaded this design from freepik.com. This design, it was a Photoshop file I recreated in InDesign and make paragraph styles and object styles, and we want to create live snippets now, so the end user can edit the content online using dynamic online form. Okay, so let's start. At first, this project called Modern folder inside the workshop, directly inside workshop, where you're supposed to edit your project. This is the root folder that TreeShade create after because after installing TreeShade you need to create root folder for your project, and this workshop created automatically, and inside that folder you put your project and edit them. Here we have this text file, ts_key for the online form, and this is the InDesign document. Let's save the document. When you save, TreeShade will ask you to check in. If you click yes, TreeShade will update the current version or create a new one depending on your preferences, and auto export PDF file and image for preview. So let's click yes. And now Adobe InDesign will switch automatically to Adobe Bridge. So you can see the exported PDF. It's automatically selected here in this location. All these location for output, and you supposed to click under workshop here to go back to workshop, because if you click at any of these, like here, the folder, the root folder here will be changed, but the relative path will be the same. And if you change the file name or location inside workshop, it will be reflected automatically in the output locations. Okay, now because we have this text file that has this flag ts_key, if you double click, TreeShade will ask you to open online form. Click yes, and the online form opened. Now I have the image, main photo and smart photo. The end user can upload the new ones, and you have submitting button, update. So the design can be updated remotely through the local server. Now let's create live snippet here. Let's select the text, and from live snippet menu, select a new live snippet. Do you want as individuals, like every paragraph separated live snippet? No, we want the entire paragraph to be one live snippet. So I will click no, and here I will write the relative path to the external text file inside data folder beside the InDesign document. Let's name this head. Okay. Now TreeShade automatically created this non-printing anchor text frame. This marks the beginning of the snippet, and here at the end you have the special character in nested style here. You can select the live snippet by selecting the non-printing anchored text frame, or by inserting the text cursor inside the snippet here or inside the marker. From live snippet menu, let's select reveal in bridge to reveal the text file. Now you will have this head.txt, and inside the text file you will have the content of the head. Okay, now here we have the price. Let's select, and from live snippet again, let's select new live snippet, and here let's name price. Okay, here number, and here the website. Okay, and here we have list of features. So let's select the entire story here, and a new live snippet. Do you want as individuals? No, let's be one text area. It's easier in editing. No. And let's name list. Okay. Now let's save again. Do you want to check in? Yes. Okay. Shade automatically switch to Adobe Bridge and browse to versions PDF, so you can see the final PDF here in your computer. But for the online form, if you refresh, you will have the preview and the link for the PDF file. And here you will have the live snippet text files revealed here as fields, so you can edit head, list, number, and price. You can from Adobe Bridge. Let's go back to workshop. Inside data, okay. Inside data, TreeShade automatically created thumbnail, so you can know the location of the text. Here in the thumbnail, there must be a red square around the text, but I don't know why it's not showing here. Anyway, let's drag and drop to reorder the head at first, then the price. Let's drag and drop here, then the list, then the number, then the website. But let's move the photo to the top. Okay, after we have now custom order. So let's from TreeShade menu select update tsort.txt file, because this file determines the order when you place the content and when you preview the online form. This file created automatically for sorting. So if we refresh now, you will have the main photo at top, then small photo, then the head. If you put asterisk around a word, it will be yellow. I determined that in the paragraph style in grep grep style. I make any word that surrounded by asterisk to be head small with the yellowish color, and the star, the asterisk will be hidden automatically. So I can remove the asterisk from here and put around the house. Okay. Now let's try to update. Online and see what will going. Let's put here. Okay, now I put Adobe Bridge and Adobe InDesign on the right, and here I have the online form. If the end user click update, let's make another update, like let's upload a different photo. Okay, I uploaded the new photo and I have house small instead of modern. Let's change the price to 30,000. And let's remove this. Update. If the end user click update, the online form will send the order to the local server that installed in your computer. Adobe InDesign will open the document automatically, update the content, export the new PDF. Now I'm not clicking any buttons. Automatically updated, exported, closed, and within a minute the new design will be revealed to the end user with the new content. So you have the new content for editing and you have the design. Okay. What if we want to make new design in a new folder instead of updating the same folder? To do that, let's close the InDesign document. And here in Adobe Bridge, let's move the entire folders and files inside modern folder to be in a folder called list. We can use this command change for copying and moving the files. Change, and here I can write the new location dot this dollar means the current folder list and the left of the files. And instead of that, I can let's cancel, make easier command. You can click pick for change. It's like copy or cut. Pick for change. Then let's create a new folder, list. Inside list, right click and select change now. What we want to, I have shortcuts here. C, copy baked files and folders here. M, move baked files and folders here. So I can write M, colon, M and colon. Okay. Now the files moved here inside list, and because the InDesign document moved to a different folder, it's automatically updated. Okay. Actually, I supposed to move the files not directly inside list, but inside a folder, an item inside list. So let's pick the files for change again. Pick for change, and let's create a folder that has ID capital letters at first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inside that folder let's execute change, then mcanon. Okay. Now again, Adobe InDesign document will be updated. Okay, let's go back to workshop. And now I have here the first copy of the design. Let's make a paired file to this folder, which is a text file that has the same name. So you can use new command from tree shade menu. You have here files exist inside a template folder, and any file exists there will be revealed here as a command. Here I have plain for text file. Let's name the same folder ID capital letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and add displaying part. Okay. Now if I go to list, it will not be revealed because I don't have here like this file, a file that has ts underscore key. So I need a key here inside list, not inside list, inside modern. So inside modern, let's make plain text file, and here I want this text file to be paired to this folder to reveal its content. So write list ts underscore key, and let's double click, open online form, no, open paired folder, no. Let's make submit the button name, then colon, then update in the same location. Okay. Now let's reveal online. Double click. Tree shade automatically created InDesign document and auto exported it. So I need to remove. let's return back to workshop and move to trash. Use tree shade command, move to trash. Cancel moving to trash, no. Okay. Now let's reveal. Now you will have the design here. If you click on this number 1, the design will be opened. If you want to make new design, you can click this plus. Write the name of the new design. Let's say chair, and let's make some photos about okay. Okay, let's download this. Let's change the price to 10,000. Now here the marketing department can add a new product here, so the design will be automatically created, and the graphic designer on his computer as a local server, he can open the design and update manually to change the color, change the locations, alignment, etc. Let's click submit. Here. Now you have a new product. And here the pink color, that it's a new one. If the end user click here to open the new product, you will have the price 10,000 that we modified, but the chair is not here. Why? Because the link is not dynamic. So let's go back here to the list. Here I have the first one, display. If you double click on the paired text file, you can open the related folder. Here let's open the InDesign document. Okay, here you need to select the the frame of the image, the frame of the link, and from tree shade menu select set dynamic link on selected. So if you have a new InDesign document, the link will be updated to the local file, not to the old folder file. Here keep this as it, which is the current location of the document inside what this SP. Here these are abbreviation of the same variables. So SP, what it's SP. This is SP, subpath, the subpath of the current link or the relative path, and here the link name, the same link name. So tree shade automatically relink to a new file exist in current folder, not in the previous one, to the same link name and same relative path. So just keep the default one, click OK, and also for this small photo, from tree shade menu set dynamic link on selected. There's a problem here. I'm not sure what the problem is, so let's save the document without checking in. Close the InDesign entirely. Let's reopen. I think there is a bug here. I will see what's the problem. Okay, let's try again. Select the link, and here if the menu is not opened, tree shade menu, you need to start the plugin, the extension, from window extension, then select tree shade. If the root path revealed here, then it's run. Okay, let's select the link, and from tree shade menu set dynamic link on selected. The same problem. I think because it's rounded, because this is the first time that I try on circle image. So let's change to square for now, and later I will fix the problem. But for now, let's go to Pathfinder. Where is the Pathfinder? Object and layout, Pathfinder. Then convert the shape to rectangle. And now I think the command will be executed. Tree shade, set dynamic link on selected. See, that was the problem. So how to fix this? Let's undo. Let's copy the link, cut, paste here. Now it has its own rectangle frame, so let's cut again and paste inside that frame. Now we can, because now we have a circle that has the link with its frame, with its rectangle frame. Now let's set dynamic link on selected. Okay. Let's save. Do you want to check in? Yes. I'm waiting for Adobe Bridge to reveal the PDF file. If Adobe Bridge reveals the PDF file, then the checking in done. So now I have the PDF. Now let's go back to our list. Let's remove here the chair. Submit. But okay. Now let's try the list again. Now we have here chair as a new product. Let's change the photo to this chair, and let's just modify anything here, like making modern yellow. Let's say modern chair. Let's make all capital. Let's make the price $400. Okay, submit. Now from the online form, a new command sent to the local server, where the InDesign will receive the new design with the new folder. Update the content. Now see that the chair automatically changed the photo and updated. And now if we go back to the online form, if you click here, you will have a new product in a new URL in a new folder here in the local server, with all data ready to be edited. Let's go here. Okay, you have this folder. This is the chair. This is the paired file to the content. If you double click, TreeShade will ask you to open the paired folder. Click yes. Now you have the InDesign document, the new InDesign document, and the new content. And the graphic designer can change the design, while the content is already connected to the online form, and the end user can edit the content at any time, before the design, during the design time, or after. Okay, that's it. Don't hesitate to ask for any question about installing or using the software. It's totally free. And thank you for watching.